Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy PVC Meta on your Trust wallet. So first of all, we're logging into coinmarketcap.com. The link will be in the description of the video. And once you're there, you simply scroll down to the bottom of the screen or the page where we've got its contract address. You simply click on this copy. And once you've copied, you minimize, open up your Trust wallet. Make sure you've got BNB for transaction and BEP20 tokens for transactions as well. Simply click on your browser, scroll down till you find the PancakeSwap exchange. Click on PancakeSwap. The three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen, which we're going to be using to change our network from Ethereum to the Smart Chain network. We're going to be swapping out this air for the token we currently copied its contract address. That's the PVC Meta. Simply click on import, click on understand, and click on import again. So once PVC Meta is made available to you, all you need to do is select the token you'd like to swap it for, which is the air, and then set it to max. That's if you're looking to swap all of the token. Set it to max. Give it some time so the balance loads. Click on max and searching for the best price. You enable the air and then you simply swap. So seeing as it says unknown risk, you could still swap it depending on how much the swapping is going to cost. So my slippage tolerance is currently set to 21. I don't know how much it's going to be. So once swap shows up, simply click on swap, click on confirm swap. Smart contract call pops in for 0.20, which you then click on approve and add PVC to wallet. Click on OK, close your PancakeSwap, and then simply reload. Just a bit of reloads, and PVC is on our wallet. Here we go, PVC 0.30. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can add the PVC token or the PVC coin to our Trust wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.